Okay, Lily Grace. Here's a Cheerio. Oh, look at that. You've grown to like them. How is that? Is that good? Is that good? You want another? More? There you go. Can you get it? Oh, you can pick it up. You can pick it up. Uh-oh, where'd it go? There it is. It's stuck to your finger. Uh-oh, did you drop it? All right, we need another. There you go.